practice Virabhadrasana I, Warrior I pose. Begin standing at the top edge of your mat. In Tadasana, mountain pose. From here, bring your hands to your hips. Gaze down at your feet and walk your right foot straight back. And go back as far as you can while still keeping the hip points pointing forward. See that the back knee remains straight. If you find that your hip points are out to the side, you can scoot your feet a little closer together and see that they're level. If you find that you're kind of wobbly from side to side in this pose, you can also broaden your stance so that your feet are wider apart and you have a wider base of support. You can play with this here. From here, energetically draw the tailbone down toward the floor and notice that that causes the back knee to bend. So drawing the tailbone down, resist that by drawing the inner knee back to straight. Find a solid foundation in your feet by lifting and spreading the toes, creating arches in the feet, and then relaxing the toes back to the floor. Inhale here. Keeping the back knee straight, exhale, bend the front knee so it's stacked over the ankle. Root through the outer edge of the back foot and keep drawing the left thigh back, right hip forward to maintain a squareness and evenness in the hips. You may find that you can come a little deeper into the pose, or you may find that you need to come out of the pose slightly and make your stance a little closer together. Inhale, reach the arms forward, palms facing each other. Exhale, draw the shoulder blades back behind the body. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, lifting the side chest tall. Exhale, maybe sinking a little deeper into the pose. Keep drawing the tailbone down toward the earth and straightening the back leg. Breathing here, taking the outer edges of the armpits and rolling them in toward the ears to create space for the neck. Inhale here, exhale, hands come to the hips. And then inhale, step the back foot to meet the front. We'll find this pose on the other side. So starting in Tadasana, step the left foot straight back as far as you can, keeping the hip points forward. Engage the quadriceps by lifting the kneecaps. Inhale, lengthen through the crown of the head. Exhale, bending the front knee. Straighten the back leg and root into the outside edge of the back foot. Keep the right hip moving back, left hip moving forward to maintain the levelness of the hips. Inhale, arms come forward. Exhale, set the shoulders. And inhale, reaching arms overhead. So inhale is length into the spine, length into the side body, the side chest, the arms. Exhale is finding depth in the pose. Inhale, expand with breath. Exhale, engage and solidify your connection to the earth through your feet, through your legs. Exhale, hands can come to the hips. And inhale, step the feet forward to meet in Tadasana. So that was Virabhadrasana I, Warrior I pose. Namaste.